Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and let's start a new video series on how to design a yoga website. Yeah, this is a yoga training or fitness training website, and it is not online course training website, but uh, yeah, offline training center course website. So this is a basic informative website, not e-commerce website. Okay, it is quite easy. And this is a template kit, Elementor template kit available in Temporess, and we're going to replicate this. It may not be exactly the same, but yeah, we are going to use this layout arrangement. Okay, and here I have already installed a new WordPress and install the plugins. Okay, 5 plugins. Elementor free, Elementor header and footer blog. Yeah, footer builder. I think they have changed the name. Elementor header footer builder. It is now changed to, yeah. Previously it was called Elementor header footer and blogs. Now it is called Elementor and header footer builder. Okay. And med form. Sign extension for Elementor, sticky header effects for Elementor webpack with plugins. Theme, Elementor, sorry, WordPress default 2021 theme. Okay, and here now. Okay, go to settings, permanent links, post name. Okay, save changes. Okay, and pages. Okay, this one is home page. Elementor full white, publish. Okay, next one, about. About. Next. Services. Okay, and block. Next is block. Block. Okay, and then last one, contact. Okay, Elementor full white, publish. Okay, go to appearance, menus. Let's create a menu, main menu, create menu. Okay, home, about, services, blog, contact, add to menu, home at the top, contact at the last, about at the second place. Okay, save menu. Yeah, this is a pub-based website. And go to setting again, general, first. Okay, you have to change the tagline. Okay, yoga and fitness training center. Okay, sentences, then reading, static page, home page, select home, sentences. Okay, we are almost done. And here, and then go to post categories. Since this category default to blog on the category, and let's add another category, and that is services or yoga. Okay, then we can add new post. Parse meditation, Elementor provide, and category. Okay, services, picture image, okay, yoga, let's use this one, medium, small is fine. I'm using the free reality images, but if you're designing your website, either you buy a premium stock photo, or you hired a professional photographer, and yeah, take the photo yourself at your own training center. Yeah, that makes your website more unique and more, yeah, friendly, um, close to people. These pre photos are not exactly the same. We cannot get all we do. Yeah, exactly this. We cannot get what we want. For example, here, uh, this template is using stock photo, yeah, Adobe stock photo, and this is a premium services. And I cannot get these photos, these beautiful photos, here at the free royalty websites, Pexels, or yeah. So that's the limitation. Either you buy a premium stock photo or hire a professional photographer. Okay, excerpt, load some text generator. Okay, let's insert purely, yeah, text, publish it, and add another again. body balance, Elementor provide services, sorry, okay, and insert the XF, publish it, okay, four types of services, and let's add another two. Next is publish and new, okay. For the content of this yoga tab, you have to insert it here, or you can edit with Elementor and design the yoga page. Okay, and here, and let's add new blog post here. Sample blog here. Okay. Okay, here. So at least we have to add 6 sample blog posts. Okay. blog, category tab, blog, excerpt, and then picture image. Okay, publish and new. Okay, just like that, continue to add sample blog posts, at least add about 6 blog posts. Okay, so yeah, before you start watching the next video part, add the sample post and see you in the next video. Starting from next video, we will start designing the front page, home page, and other main pages. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it.